Hello and welcome to Ashwini Tharkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Let us make chocolate covered strawberries using dark chocolate and white chocolate. We will also make black currant chocolates and white chocolate chunks along with this. For this we need dark chocolate compound. Let us chop it using a knife. This is not the regular chocolate that we eat. Now transfer these into a bowl. We have to double boil this. Chop white chocolate compound in another bowl. Layer a tray with butter paper. Wash and dry strawberries. Keep them aside. Double boil the chocolate. Do not let water enter in this chocolate. Keep stirring till it melts. Do all this on low flame. The chocolate becomes runny and smooth consistency after some time. Now it is ready to use. Dip strawberry in the chocolate. Use a toothpick to insert in the strawberry to dip. Keep on butter paper to dry. After all the strawberries are dipped, we will keep the tray in the fridge for 1 hour. Now put black currant in a silicone mold. This is a small mold for chocolates. And pour all the chocolate, melted chocolate, into the mold. Do it slowly. The chocolate is hot. Do not burn your hand. Remove excess chocolate and tap the tray so that no air gaps are there in the chocolate. Now double boil the white chocolate. Melt on low flame. Similarly, as we have done with the dark chocolate, this is for the decor on the strawberries. It looks nice. Now drizzle the white chocolate onto the strawberries to give a zebra effect. I like this zebra kind of chocolate. Looks good. Now refrigerate this for 30 minutes or 1 hour. Now pour the remaining chocolate in the mold. I have not used any black currant or nuts or anything in this. You can add if you wish. Cashew nut or almond, roasted almond can be used. These white chocolate chunks I have made only to utilize the remaining white chocolate. It is not sufficient for all the molds, but it's okay. After 1 hour, you can remove the chocolates from the silicone mold. Serve the white chocolates, the dark chocolates, and the chocolate covered strawberries in a bowl. Merry Christmas! Thank you for watching. If you have liked my recipe, please subscribe, like, and share it with somebody who loves cooking. See you in the next video.